guys, welcome to this channel. In this video tutorial I'm teaching you how to participate in the Fox Mask token airdrop. So the Fox Mask token airdrop, you are going to participate in it. And how do you participate in this? First, you need to have your wallet address, and the wallet you have to use is the MetaMask wallet. So once you have your wallet, you can get your wallet on Google Play Store or your Apple iStore, your Apple Store. So once you do that, you create your account. You'll be given some seed phrase. You keep the seed phrase somewhere safe, and boom, you are right on this particular screen that you can see. So for me to add the custom token, I'll need to click on import token down here, and also ensure that my network is Ethereum main network right there. If it's not on Ethereum main network, I'll just have to click it, then change it to Ethereum main network. So now what I need to do is to click on import tokens, then custom token. Click on custom token at the top right corner. So what is the token address? I'll drop the token address in the description of this video. This is the token address right here. So you paste the token address, then the token address, what is the symbol? It automatically detects it. That's FM. Then I click on import. So once I import it, it gets imported. You can see FM right here. You can see it right here. So if I click on FM right here, you can see send, receive, swap. So let me click on receive and copy this address. Copy this address that is here. So once I click on copy, then if you are watching this video right now, all you need to do is to go to the description of this video and visit the link that will take you to the FoxMask website where you can claim the FoxMask airdrop. So this is the website right here, and this is the website right here. You can see it is built on the Ethereum blockchain, the ERC20. The total supply is 80 million. The token symbol is FM. This is the contract address that we added earlier. So let me go to the top so you can see what the token is all about. So you can see it is a powerful all-in-one wallet where you can securely store your digital assets, and it is the governance token of FoxMask. The FM token is the governance token of FoxMask, and like I said before, it has 80 million supply, and it will be listed in the big exchanges very soon. Then the estimated listing price of FM is 5 USD, and this ends in a bit. So all you need to do right now is, once you come to this website through the link, all you need to do is to click on airdrop. Once you click on airdrop, it takes you here. Then the address that you copied, all you need to do is just paste the address that you copied. So once you paste the address that you copied, all you need to do is to click on claim right there. So you can see this is your balance. Your balance will be 20 FM. You'll be getting 20 FM immediately. Then this is your reward. So right here, if you want to earn more, you copy and share your referral link, and you and the invitee will be given 20 FM at the same time. So each person can invite up to 50 people. So the amount you can claim maximum is 1000 FM right there. So you can see the airdrop tokenomics. The airdrop quantity is 12,000 FM. That's 15% of every of the total supply. This is the airdrop rule. The airdrop ends on January 21, 2022, as of the time I am making this video. So this is the pre-sale. I'm not advising you to go for the pre-sale because this is not yet been totally verified. Just keep it simple, keep it to the airdrop, and keep it up with the airdrop. I won't advise you to go for your pre-sale for the pre-sale. And if you intend to go for the pre-sale, ensure that you do your own research, as I will not be liable for your loss when things go south on this project. So guys, basically that's how to claim your free token on the FoxMask airdrop. So thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. If you have any questions for me, just drop them in the comment section below. And if you are in for videos like this where you can make money online and offline, go ahead to hit the subscribe button and turn on the red notification button so that whenever I drop videos, you will be the first to get them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.